Hey guys, welcome back. Today on the menu we have chickpea recipe. So guys, I will be sharing with you how I made this delicious mouth-watering chickpea recipe. Not only does it taste good, guys, this meal is very nutritious. It is a very healthy meal to try. So if you are interested, please continue watching. So now let's begin. In a pot, go in with your vegetable oil. Once it is heated, go in with your sliced onions. Now, give it a quick stir and allow it to fry for a minute or once it is flavorful. Next, introducing some of the ingredients. Guys, here we have our fresh tomatoes, all washed and we've de-seeded them already. So make sure you de-seed your tomatoes. Here is our onions, one small long pointed pepper and scotch bonnet too. So we'll be blending everything except the scotch bonnet. That will come later. So here is our blended tomato. Yeah, tomato pepper mix. Yes. So guys, now after a minute we are checking, it is time to introduce your blended tomatoes. Okay. All right. Now give it a nice stir. We are going to allow it to fry until our tomato is dry. Now, reason I didn't include the scotch bonnet peppers. It gets to my throat each time I'm frying it together with the tomatoes. Yes, that's why I don't blend together with tomatoes, okay? Provided I'm going to fry it. And the second reason, I love seeing particles of peppers, like pieces of peppers in my meal, in any food I'm cooking. Yes. So don't worry, the peppers will come later. All right, guys, this is us checking and the tomato is fried. Yes, perfect at this point. Now introduce some water. Let's say a cup of water is fine. Okay. Now here comes the peppers. Yes, introduce your peppers. Next is your seasoning, followed by your salt. Make sure you season and salt to taste. Okay. Next is your curry powder, a full teaspoon of your curry powder. Now, give it a good stir and bring to a boil. Please make sure that before now, your chickpeas are ready, well cooked, soft and tender. So this is what I'm talking about. Here is our chickpeas, very soft and tender. Guys, you can as well get the tin one, yes, from any supermarket near you. Chickpeas falls same family with the black eye beans, yes, that you're conversant with. So it's something you can substitute for your black eye beans, okay? Very nutritious as well. It got a whole lot of health benefits. All right, guys, now introduce it into your boiling stew. Meanwhile, this is 2 cups of chickpeas, okay? Now, give it a good stir to well combine. Afterwards, you cover it up and allow to cook. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious cooking meals, baking, delectable small chops and snacks, and more, guys. So if it sounds like something you're looking out for, please go ahead and subscribe, so you become part of this amazing, beautiful family. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. Check in after cooking for 2 minutes, guys. It is not yet ready, not to the point we want it. So now we're going to cover again and cook some more. We are checking back after extra 1 minute, guys. Now it is looking more like it. Okay, though if you want it more watery, it is still fine. I want it to just thicken a bit. Okay, that's why I cooked the extra 1 minute. And for some reason, we're going to be using masher to mash it, okay? Not completely. We're going to mash up some, okay? Yes. We still want to have some whole chickpea, but let's mash some, okay? So you use your masher and mash it just like this. This is looking good, guys. I'm sure you are salivating. I know. We are almost done though, so please continue watching. So now we're done mashing. The next thing is to give it a good stir using your spoon or your spatula. Guys, this is a must try. Look at how sumptuous, delicious it's looking. Oh my. Now, lastly, garnish it up with your spring onions, with any leafy green you have. It could be your parsley, coriander, in fact, any leafy green of your choice, okay? It's perfect. Now, give it a nice stir. Lovely. This is looking good. Shout out to my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing, beautiful family. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all your love and support. Your comments, your shares, your likes, your subscription. Oh my. Guys, I am very, very grateful. Please keep it up. Thank you. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious, mouth-watering, tasty chickpea recipe is set. Look at this goodness. Look at that. Guys, it is looking good. I want you to try it. Now it is time to serve. Please plate it with me, okay? As always, you know. And to you that have watched up unto this point, like you followed me to this extent, I am very, very grateful. Honestly, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my video, okay? Thank you. So guys, it is set. And we're going to be pairing it, enjoying it, yes, with toasted bread. One thing about this recipe is that it serves different purposes. Yes, you can enjoy it with so many different things, okay? Your plantains, your pap, your custard, like you can enjoy it with so many things, even with your rice. Yes, guys, you can. So it is time to test. Test it with me. This is looking good. Guys, a trial will convince you. So please give it a go, all right? And please help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out also. Thank you so much. All right, guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you so much for joining me in creating this delicious meal. Yes, chickpea recipe. If you have not tried it, please, it's an opportunity for you to do so. Guys, it is very, very simple. Just follow the process, okay? All right, see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.